So why Waffle House? Well, the food is totally amazing. Things cooked to order. Southern cooking, just the way you want it. And you might run into something like this.
I'm finna go live, bro.
Bring it down! Bring it down! Bring it down, though!
So I'm finna get my food still though?
All right.
Yeah, but you can get anything on the menu in any combination at any time.
Wow, this is just incredible. I mean, I just love how they just make the food right in front of you. This is crazy. I got a video. This is my first time ever in Waffle House. Want to say hi, Tiffany? It's Tiffany from Waffle House. The best Waffle House ever.
That's right.
Great service, great food.
Right. And we're open 24 hours, and while you're here, you're going to come to this Waffle House.
Awesome. We're definitely going to do that. Wow. Waffle House. All right. Holy cow.
This is a really good deal, too. The all ham, and you get a waffle with it. So it's a variety of everything. These are our bowls. We have sausage bowls. We have bacon bowls on the back.
Oh, wow.
We have chicken bowls, cheesesteak bowls. We have a cheesesteak melt that's amazing for lunch.
I'll tell you, this all looks good.
Yeah. And then right here is you could smother, cover, chunks, diced pepper cap top. Those are different ingredients.
Oh, that's just for the hash browns?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
So what do most people get?
Smother covered chunks. I would get mine smothered, covered, and chunked.
Smothered, covered, and chunked.
That's onions, cheese, and ham.
Oh my God! So it's onions, cheese, ham, and then they dice the ham up, I think.
Yep. And then you can get it, or you can get it all the way. A smothered, covered, chunk, diced, cap, and then topped in countries with gravy, puffed gravy, and chili.
Oh my God, that's great, Tiffany. I appreciate that. Oh my God, folks, this is amazing. This is This is amazing.
What's your name, love?
So folks, what's really cool about this place, so those of you who watch my channel know that I'm a big Coca-Cola person. So here they have Coca-Cola and they have Mr. Pibb, which is a real cool thing that you see down in the South. And of course they have Heinz ketchup and Heinz mustard. But this is just an amazing place, and I suggest you guys come out and find yourself a Waffle House, wherever you might go. Always interesting stories here. It's just totally incredible. I mean, you have to experience this. This is like true South. I feel like I'm going to see Elvis Presley walk in the door. This is the kind of place I'd see him eating at. So just enjoy and come down and just follow on. I'll show you what I get. Cheeseburger, hash browns. And folks, if you so choose, you have a famous jukebox in here. This is an iTunes jukebox, and you can get kind of whatever you want, whatever music in here. It's amazing. This is definitely worth the trip, folks. Definitely worth the trip. Wow, so there we are. We got some awesome goodness here with the cheeseburger, and we got extra dark hash browns, bacon. This is an amazing onions on there. Highly recommended, folks. It is really, really nice, really amazing. Waffle House, the one and only Southern Delight. Yes, folks, it is indeed marvelous. It's an irony-free zone where everything is beautiful and nothing hurts. Where everybody, regardless of race, creed, or color, or degree of inebriation, can come. It is a warm yellow glow, a beacon of hope and salvation, inviting the hungry, the lost, the seriously hammered, all across the South, to come inside. It's a place of nourishment that never closes. It is always faithful, always there for you. Folks, I give you the Waffle House.